old wives' tale to modern science, cold showers are good for you. Studies show various advantages to both physical and mental health, and benefits include improved circulation, weight loss, boosted immunity, and more. But we don't quite yet know why. Lindsay Bottoms is an Associate Professor of Exercise and Health Physiology. Lindsay, thank you so much for joining us. Selling a cold shower to our viewers may be difficult. Tell us why you think they're so important.
So I think in recent times, the ice, well, I don't know if you've noticed that open water swimming is becoming more popular, and general cold water immersion for exercise recovery. And now what people are starting to realise, just a cold shower seems to be beneficial for health. So it doesn't, and there's a big research study that was done by a research group in the Netherlands, and they found that it didn't matter how long you did the cold shower for, 30 seconds or 90 seconds, it still seemed to have a beneficial effect. So I think it's just having that tinsy bit of cold shower at the end of your shower seems to be beneficial.
Doctor, I've tried the Immersion craze. It's huge here in Cape Town, where you're crossing to us. Every morning, all the sea sort of swimming pools are full of tidal pools are full of people doing immersion. A cold shower, could I get away with that? Could I get the same benefits?
I don't know about necessarily the same benefits, but this study by the Netherlands found that there was 29% less sick days by people that were using a cold shower for just 30 seconds at the end of their warm shower. So, yeah, I wouldn't say it's going to complete the same benefits of cold water immersion, but there definitely seems to be some benefit to health having a slight cold shower at the end of your normal shower. So, yeah.
I know the French have used it for years. They swear by it for healthy skin and anti-aging. But what are some of the mental benefits of having a cold shower? That's what interests me.
So I think there's just a few things really. So it can improve your alertness. So the idea of a cold shower, the shock to the system sort of stimulates our sort of fight and flight response. So it causes our body to produce noradrenaline. And that sort of can increase our alertness, so it can make us feel more awake, and so it might help in terms of, I suppose, work production or whatever you've got to do. In terms of depression, there seems to be a little bit of evidence, but there's still not lots of evidence. So, you know, it's still early days here, but there does seem to be a little bit of evidence that it might reduce symptoms of depression. So it's like it gives the body a bit of a shock, and it seems to be a positive response in terms of depression. So that's what seems to be out there.
It's fascinating. And physically, you said that it increases adrenaline. How long does that last for, and what impact does that have on our physical health?
How long the response lasts for, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. But in terms of physical health, if it seems to be, as I said, the evidence is we're still looking for more evidence, but it does seem to boost the immune system slightly. So that response seems to boost that. It potentially it seems to boost the circulation, so improve circulation. And whilst you're having that cold part of water, actually increases your metabolic rates. So that's why it sort of potentially can be beneficial from a weight perspective, but we are still talking very small amounts there.
Dr. Lindsay Bottoms, you've convinced me, Associate Professor of Exercise and Health Physiology. Thank you so much for joining us here in Cape Town. Taps, I'm converting to this.
Listen, this is what got me. It increases metabolism by 350%.
Yes.
Increased metabolism means you're burning more calories. Watch me take a cold shower every day until December, and my summer body will be ready.